Explain Euler's method. Euler's equation is used to solve the differential equation of the form. It is one of the methods in Runge-Kutta method. In this method, slope estimate of function is used to extrapolate from an old value to a new value over a distance. This formula can be applied step by step to compute out and trace out the trajectory of the solution. Euler's method uses the differential equation to estimate the slope in the form of the first derivative at the starting point. The slope at the beginning of the interval is taken as an approximation of the average slope over the whole interval. The general formula of Euler's method is: related terms are